Hey there, financial friends. If you're a JP Morgan customer looking to download your account statements, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward so you can get what you need quickly and securely. Whether it's for taxes, record keeping, or just staying on top of your finances, this guide will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a device with internet access, like your phone, tablet, or computer, and your JP Morgan login credentials handy. Remember, always use a secure connection to protect your information. Avoid public Wi-Fi if possible. Step 1. Log into your JP Morgan account. Open the JP Morgan app or head to their website at jpmorgan.com. Enter your username and password, and if you have two-factor authentication set up, go ahead and verify that too. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with an overview of your accounts. Next, navigate to the Statements section. Look for the Accounts or Statements tab, usually found in the menu on the left side or at the top of the page. Select the account you want statements for, whether it's your checking, savings, or credit card. Now, for Step 3, choose the statement period. You'll see a list of available statements, often going back several months or years. Pick the one you need, like the most recent monthly statement, and click on it to view details. Finally, download your statement. There should be a Download or Export button, usually as a PDF file. Hit that button and save it to your device. It might take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully downloaded your JP Morgan account statement. A quick tip: store it in a secure folder and consider using encryption if you're sharing it. If you run into any issues, check the JP Morgan Help Center or contact their support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money management tips. See you next time.